This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, an API management instance, and a reachable backend. Next, gather the backend URL and any auth details like OAuth2 or subscription key, since you will need them during import. Once done, open the Azure portal, navigate to your API management service, and choose the API's blade. This first step initiates the import or manual API creation flow. Make sure to select the correct resource group and region before proceeding to avoid misconfiguration. You now import or create the API. If you have an open API or WSDL file, import it to auto-generate operations. Otherwise, create operations manually and define methods and routes. Then configure the front end. Set the API URL suffix and refine each operation's request and response schemas so callers get correct contracts. Once operations match the backend, point the backend service to your endpoint and rewrite the URL if necessary, because correct routing ensures requests reach the intended service. Finally, apply policies for security and traffic control. Add authentication, transform payloads, enable caching, and set quotas and rate limits. These protect and optimize your API. Next, use the built-in test console and the trace tool to send sample requests, inspect headers and responses, and confirm behavior. Once validated, add the API to a product, require subscription keys as needed, and publish. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip is to enable request tracing and check backend, connectivity, and policy evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.